So now let's see how we can work around with the material detail and the Accrue detail inside of Microsoft Project. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here on the view tab right here. And once I go around over here, let me just go around onto the resource sheet right here. So once I go around onto the resource sheet, this is what you see right here. So you see that I have the resources and I have some material resources over here. For the material resources, what you can do is you can go around and add in the value for how the drawing papers will be calculated. So let's say, for example, drawing papers per box right here is $20. So this is the unit right here, box. So for the camera rent, I'm just going to go around and see, let's say, for example, per, let's say, shooting day right here, let's say, for example, or I'm just going to go around and say shooting day right here, and that will be the unit for camera rent. And for the editing software right here, I'm just going to go around and say this is just one time, so I'm just going to go around and say like one license, like right here, per license, let's say, for example. So I'm just going to go around and correct this out. Let me just press Ctrl Z, and over here I'm just going to go around and say license right here, just like this. So this is per license right here. So you can see that you can go around and add in the level of unit over here on the material label. So once that is done, it becomes easier to calculate around whatever you have right here. So if I were to go around over here onto the Accrue section, you can see that all of them are prorated right here. But if I were to go around and change this to, let's say, for example, let's say I have to pay the cinematographer in the beginning of the project, then I can just say start right here. For actors, let's say I have to pay on the start as well. For the drawing papers, I'm going to go around pay in the start. For camera rate, let's say I want to pay it in the end, and this is at the start right here. You can go around and set the Accrue so that you can set on when you have to pay. Let's say, for example, for the script writer, it becomes okay for me to pay at the end right here. For the cinematographer as well, let's say end. For crew member, I'm going to go around and say this is prorated because it can be either beginning or the end. Same goes for the editor, and for account, let's say at the end right here. So this is how you can go around and set the Accrue as well, so that you actually know when you have to actually pay for those particular services. And that is how you can go around and then work around with the material detail and the Accrue detail inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.